live button, but hey, um, it's Melanie Ferguson with Southern Crush at Home, and I hope to inspire you to create and decorate a home that you love. So I was wanting to go live. I hit start live video. Anyway, I wanted to show y'all where we're at so far with the Christmas tree. As you hop on, say hey, let me know that I'm on the right page and that I am live. So I am going to flip the camera around and show you guys kind of what I've been working on. I gave you all a sneak peek. Hey Terry, I gave you all a sneak peek earlier today with the my dog has been hanging around the tree and I know she's trying to eat something off of it. I don't really know what it would be, but yeah, say hey, let me know I'm on the right page. So I gave y'all a sneak peek with the spray painting of the branches. So I really wanted to go with some natural touches to the tree this year. I don't know if I'm completely done with the tree. You know how oh, look at that tree back there, y'all. It's pathetic. It's not done. That one's not even started. That one I pulled out of the garbage sack that it gets stored in, and it's ready. It's ready to go. That one is going to be a movie theater tree because that's our TV. And there's some Thanksgiving stuff still out. Real life, y'all, real life. And that one is going to be super cute. I'll walk you closer to it just so you can kind of see. It's got just some fruity little, I guess it's garland so far on it. Anyway, it's going to have popcorn and movie tickets and candy, all sorts of fun things on it. So it's going to be fun. I can't wait to show y'all that tree. But hey, Kay, I'm glad you caught me live too. And Carolyn and Fran and Jennifer, how are you all? Hey, Denise. So yes, Lisa, we all have real life. Seriously, I didn't know I was going to hit the live button. That was total accident. I was trying to, I don't even know what I was doing. I feel like I was going to flip my screen, but then I wasn't going to flip it. I don't even know, but I hit the live button. So here I am. Hey there, Kathy. So no time like the present. So I'm going to flip it around. And Patty, you have that candy garland. I love that candy garland back there, y'all. It is so fun. There's my step stool for, because I'm too short to reach the top of the tree. There's my home. It's backwards. The home sign on the wall. Anyway, I'm going to flip this around and show y'all just real quick a couple things. All right, this is my recycled. If you guys missed this blog post, I will link it here. But this was the repurposed dry sink that we made into a shelf. My husband and I stained the board on top and put all that stuff on it. But I just added a little bit of lights to the little wreath that I put there, and then I added a little buffalo check bow with some bling. Of course, I had to add the bling, y'all. So it has bling, buffalo check, and a little bit of lights, and that's just a little battery operated lights, just so that you guys can see. Hold on, I'm gonna climb up on my couch so you can see. There's where the light switch is. It's really easy. Oh, my phone was mad at me for trying to flip it. So, all right, so there's the battery, and there's the little baby wreath. Rezi, you love the home sign. Yeah, that was easy breezy. I need to light up that little wreath too, don't you think? Let me flip back over there. Sorry, all the mess. There's the home sign. I need to light up this wreath too, don't you think? I think that would be cute. So I'll just have to go back to the Dollar Tree and get a little thing of lights. All right, and this was the movie theater tree that is not even remotely started yet. It's just got this candy on it. It's gonna have boxes of candy and all sorts of stuff. And then across here, where there's Thanksgiving, it's gonna have a display of candy jars and all sorts of fun stuff for watching movies. So, all right, y'all, without further ado, y'all, this is the tree where we're at so far. I'm gonna start at the bottom. So this year, I decided to start with a rug. So this is literally a rug. I bought a 3-foot, 36-inch circular round rug. It's so soft. I'm gonna repurpose it in my other room after Christmas so that I don't have to put it away because I absolutely love it. Anyway, it's got these little ball balls on it and it goes all the way around. And then I still have my quilt. That's just a piece of material all bunched up underneath here for the bed skirt, for the tree skirt, y'all. So this is what I went with. Give me some hearts if you like the double layered tree skirt. So that's kind of what I did there. I had a whatchamacallit, a ring last year, and I'll have it over on another tree in the kitchen that I'll show y'all maybe tomorrow if I can get it done. So I'm gonna go through each thing, y'all. This might take a minute. So these are the snowflakes that I got at the thrift store. Actually, a lot of this is, y'all. So if you watched me reveal some of the stuff I got from the thrift store, I've got these scattered around. I've got a few red balls. These are the branches from my yard, y'all. I just sprayed them white very lightly. And then this is birds that are on clips. They're on little clips. I've had these for years, y'all. So the little birds are my favorite. Oh, you're so sweet, Kim. And then this was the other set of snowflakes I got from the thrift store grab bag. Do y'all remember? It was like a set of 6 of them. I used one on the topper and I've used the rest on the tree. And this was last night's ornament, guys. They worked out great. I decided not to do anything to them, but just hang them because they match and they're perfectly good. So I stuffed a little bit of snow, which is polyfill, back in some of the holes to fill up the tree, y'all. And then this is little buffalo check poinsettias that I've had for several years. So I just tried to fluff them up and put them back on there. And really, y'all, that's all there is to it. So I'm gonna start backing up so you can see. Oh, I did tie little pieces of buffalo check ribbon on here. It's wired ribbon, it's flannel. And I just pinched it in the middle with a branch, really easy. Okay, this is something I got to tell y'all. Okay. This tree was a multicolored tree, light. I did not like that, and I didn't have the strength to get a new tree this year, and I didn't want to spend the money on it. So we went and got these white LED lights at, I think, Target. And for like 20 bucks, we restrung the tree, but I left these on. Hopefully you can barely see them, but they're not turned on, just the white LEDs. This is a big jingle bell, y'all, I've had forever. So the tree is literally white lights. I did put a buffalo check ribbon. I started it in the back, and it's coming down both sides of the tree. And then it just kind of hangs off at the end. So there's that. There's some more snow. Here's some more branches from my yard, y'all. Literally branches from my yard. These are the Dollar Tree. Actually, I did see them at the Dollar Tree, but these were from the thrift store. I put all the birds, I tried to put them all on a branch. Now, I did paint this little sign from Dollar Tree. You probably recognize it. It says Merry and Bright. So I added that just for some interest. And then y'all will probably, there's another bird on a branch. Y'all will probably recognize the topper that we redid from last year. I need to put a light back there to light it up. I'm really not done with everything, but this was the topper we did together. I added 2 little poinsettias, and they're picks, so they already have like pine cone on them. And then there's the other snowflake that I glued to it, and this is the rhinestone trim that we added to the bottom of the topper. And then that's the big mesh bow that I added to the back top of the top hat. So you can kind of see And I'm gonna back up so you can see the tree totally. Sandra, for the snow, it's just polyfill. So we've got 2 different kinds of snowflakes. It doesn't have a whole lot on it, y'all. I kind of kept it pretty simple. I'm trying to make it where you can see it all, but it's always hard to get it all in the camera. Shaylin, you did that too. Hey lady to you, Donna. Okay, it's really dark in here, y'all, at my house at night. These are those pillows I showed y'all last night. I just set them here. I don't have them redone yet. We're still gonna do something to them, but I just put them next to the tree just to make sure it was gonna all go together, and it does. Those are awesome. Remember, I got those for $3. Kelly, you decorated all day inside and out. Yes, I have a tree for right there. I'm gonna decorate and show y'all. But these are the skirts. This is the tree. That's the topper we did. And again, this is the ornament that I got in the grab bag from the thrift store. Grab bag from the thrift store. Grab bag from the thrift store. I'm literally telling you, if I had to guess, and then of course all of these branches from my yard, y'all, that we just lightly spray painted white, were free. I would say, I mean, maybe I spent $20 on my tree. I don't really know. This was $1. It was my first year to go without multicolored and all of the different ornaments. So I went buffalo check. Of course, you knew I would. Amanda, those were from my local thrift store, so it may be hard to find them because I don't know that I've seen them anywhere before. But I do need to get a light for behind there because you really can't see that. It's kind of dark in this corner. Yeah, so, and I might get another sign to add because I feel like it's just got one sign. I mean, I'm thinking another sign right here maybe. We might make one together. I don't really know yet. But this is just where I'm at, and I wanted to share it. Since we've been working on it today, my husband helped me. But yeah, there's one of the lights that aren't the right color. But they're just in there, y'all. It's all just in there. All right, these were the pillows. They are super cute, just plain, but I really want to add something to them. And I got to think about exactly how I want it to be. And then there's the little lit up wreath. I think I'm going to definitely go and light up the home wreath. And then as soon as I can get, that's all the way down the hall. As soon as I can get this movie theater portrait decorated and this lit up, I'll show y'all that next. It won't be tonight. And then I have another tree that's gonna go here that I'm gonna show you. It's gonna go on the entry table. And then there's a tree that's gonna go right inside there with kitchen stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to show y'all all the things. It's fun, it's fun. Yes, Claudette, you could do tassels on the corners. Yes, I hope that I don't get in trouble from Facebook for the music in the background. But yes, I have to have Christmas music on if I'm going to be decorating the tree. So I appreciate you guys. I'm going to come on in a little bit and not live, but just post the winners from the thrift store haul to see who's going to get a couple of different things from sharing the video. And I just appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't still scrolled up and voted, the poll goes through tonight at 10 o'clock for the name on my business, whether we keep it Southern Crush at Home or if we add crafting on a dime or if we combine the two or what I should do because, yeah, it's a tough one. It's a tough decision. But yeah, there's that. And then, yeah, if you haven't signed up for VIP access yet at the discounted rate, It's $10 off right now, but it's at springcraftathon.com, and you're not going to want to miss that, ladies. And if you have signed up, a lot of you have signed up for the $27 rate, but you're not over in the VIP lounge on Facebook. And see, my phone's always dead, so I have the little charger. You need to get over into the VIP lounge. There should have been instructions on your email that you got. But yeah. So yeah, I appreciate you guys, and I hope it inspires you to get started decorating your Christmas tree, and just some ideas to get going on. Oh, yes. All right. Okay, I could read these comments all night. I'm going to hop off here and answer your comments and get to announcing our winners. Talk to you later. Bye.